Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your points from your Chase account to a travel partner. You have probably signed up for a new card that earns Ultimate Rewards points or Chase points, and you have completed your sign-up bonus and now you have your points and trying to see how you're going to transfer those points to a partner to start booking flight or hotel. Uh, Here is the first thing. We're going to go to Chase website and we're going to log in into the site. Once you log in, you're going to see your new credit card right here. It's going to show you the balance of points that you have right here on the right side on the rewards. And the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to this rewards part here. You're going to click in there. It's going to take you out of the Chase website. As you can see, the URL has changed. Now it says Ultimate Rewards Points.chase.com. And here is where you're able to transfer those points. Remember, in order to transfer points out of Chase to a travel partner, you need to have either an Inc. Business Preferred card or you need to have one of the Chase personal Sapphire cards, either the Preferred or the Reserve. Once you are here, you can click over here on the right side, click on Travel, and then you can see the link right there to transfer points to a partner. Another place where you can find that same thing is you can scroll down on this site and then you can click here where it says more ways to use your points. When you click in there, again, it's going to show you your points balance. You're going to scroll down, and then you're going to find it here again. It says transfer to travel partners. You're going to click in there and it's going to show you a list of available travel partners for Chase. From time to time, you're going to see this transfer bonus being offered by the bank. Flyingblue has a 25% and Virgin Atlantic has a 30%. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to click where you want to transfer your points. Virgin Atlantic in this case. And once you click in there, you're going to say transfer points. It's going to ask you for the card user name and your membership account. You're going to add your membership account here and click next, and then it's going to ask you how many points you want to transfer. But we're going to leave it there for now. Thank you for watching.